terrace duplex that we are selling. We have about 8 units here. Then we have this bungalow that we're also selling. You can see the neighborhood. Yeah, you can see the estate. People are already building. You can see mansions everywhere. Let me even show you here this house too before we go inside. You can see you can just buy this unit, and this unit is also for sale. So this is the environment, right? So let's check out this house. So this is the compound you get. This is what you're gonna get. This is actually fine. I think this is a half plot, and they were able to manage it this way. It's actually lovely. It's actually lovely. So let's check inside. Good day, sir. Yeah, well done. Yeah. So this is the parlor. That's visitor's toilets. Let me stay here so you can see it very well. This is the parlor and the tiles and the POP. So here is your lobby. So I think this should be the master's bedroom. Let's check it out. So this is the room. This is the room 1. So this is the wardrobe. So let's check room 2. So this is room 2. Properly ventilated. The wardrobes are kind of small, but so this is the toilet. Toilets are very okay. So this is the last room. Same design of wardrobe, properly ventilated. Then yeah, I think this house is very okay, very okay. So this is the kitchen. So this is your kitchen. You have your kitchen cabinet, you have your sink, you have like a store here. Let me see. So this is the back space. So this is more like another store. So this is it. So if you're looking to buy this house here in Legacy Estates, we're just selling for 85 million naira, and this is what you're gonna get. You know, this is a very good estate that already has lights, and look at the community. Look at the community. Neighborhood you're gonna get. So if this is what you want, just give me a call. Let's get you started, okay?